Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best wood-burning stove. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Duraflame Electric Infrared Wood-Burning Stove. If you like wood stoves but find chopping wood or cleaning up ash troublesome, take a look at this Duraflame stove. It produces 5,200 BTUs of heat and can warm spaces up to 1,000 square feet in size. The stove uses special 3D flame technology that looks very real, with bright adjustable flames and glowing logs. Its infrared quartz heat keeps the air's natural moisture, so your home stays comfortably humid and not dry. It's safe for households with kids and pets. Reviewers really admire this perfect fireplace for making small rooms cozy and warm. Number 7 in my list is VG 5770 Wood-Burning Stove. This pellet stove is fully automated and has automatic ignition. You can control how much heat it makes using digital controls on top. The stove has a big hopper that holds 60 pounds of pellets. This makes it burn for a long time before you need to add more pellets. The design is simple and neat, which people who like minimal things will really like. There's a window that's open, so you can watch the fire easily. It also has a blower with different speeds. This blower spreads warm air all around your home. You'll need to put this wood-burning stove together, but it's not hard. You can do it yourself. People who have used it love it and say it makes their home look beautiful. Number 6 in my list is US 5501S Wood-Burning Stove. This small wood stove is built for burning wood pellets. These pellets are made from pressed sawdust and burn cleaner than regular wood logs. The United States stove gives you the classic look of a wood stove, but it works better and can fit into smaller spaces easily. It can heat spaces up to 2,200 square feet and is suitable for mobile homes too. The improved digital controls and a remote control make it simple to adjust the heat without leaving your comfy spot on the couch. People who've used it really like the glass window, which lets them see the fire. The stove has a hopper that holds 25 pounds of pellets and can burn for up to 24 hours at once. It also comes with a blower that moves warm air around your home. Plus, you get a 3-year warranty. Number 5 in my list is Guide Gear Wood-Burning Stove. The Guide Gear outdoor wood stove is great for camping because it can heat and cook. It's made from strong steel and has a tough finish, so it can handle your outdoor adventures. Even though it's one of the smallest wood-burning stoves you can buy, it can still heat well. You can cook on the top surface, which is also a cooking grate. It's good for keeping pots hot or cooking food like eggs and bacon. The legs come off, and the pipes fit inside the stove, so you can carry and store it easily. It would be even better if it had a handle. Remember, this stove isn't safe to use indoors. If you want to use it in a garage or workshop, you need to have good airflow. Number 4 in my list is Drolit HT3000 Wood-Burning Stove. The Drolit HT3000 wood stove can heat a big area, up to 2,700 square feet, because it gives off a lot of heat, about 110,000 BTU. You can put logs up to 22 inches long inside because the firebox is large. When it's full, this stove can keep burning for 10 hours. It's safe for mobile homes and alcove installation because it's certified by the EPA. The stove is made from strong steel and has a top that keeps the heat in. You can trust that this stove will last a long time. It even comes with a lifetime warranty to make sure you're happy with it. You can also buy extra things for this stove like an air kit, fire screen, blower, and thermodisc, but they cost more. Number 3 in my list is Comfort-Built HP50S Wood-Burning Stove. The Comfort-Built HP50 gray pellet stove has a compact European design, but it's powerful. It can quickly and effectively heat up to 2,200 square feet. You can start it with a simple touch, and the LED control panel lets you easily change how fast pellets are used and how fast air blows out. The blower is strong, moving 142 cubic feet of heated air every minute, which warms your space fast. It's safe for mobile homes, which is great if you need an affordable way to heat yours. This stove is designed to make very little ash, so you might only need to empty the ashtray every 3 weeks, though this could change depending on how much you use it. The parts that start the fire and move the air can be plugged into a normal home electrical outlet. It's EPA certified to burn 81% efficiently. Number 2 in my list is Duraflame Electric Wood Burning Stove. The Duraflame Infrared Quartz Fireplace Stove gives you the warm and cozy look of a fire, even though it's actually an electric heater made to look like a wood stove. You don't need any wood. Just plug it into a regular wall socket. We tested this electric stove in a lab and at home to see how well it works and how real it looks. Our testers found the flames surprisingly lifelike. But remember, the small size might not completely fool you if you're really focused on how it looks. While this Duraflame stove shouldn't be your main way of heating your home, it did a great job making smaller cold rooms warmer in our home in the Rocky Mountains. It also gave a nice feeling to our guest room, one of our testers said. Number 1 in my list is Ashley Hearth Wood Burning Stove. Our top overall pick is the Ashley Hearth Products 2,500 square feet wood burning stove. It meets the 2023 EPA guidelines for burning cordwood and has a classic, well-made design. This stove can hold logs up to 21 inches long, bigger than most stoves, and has a large ash pan, reducing cleaning trips. This wood stove is EPA certified for Step 2 requirements, emitting only 2.5 grams of particulate matter per hour when burning cordwood. It's a single burn rate stove with a fire brick lined interior and a spacious log size, meaning less frequent refills. Switching gears, the Duraflame Infrared Quartz Fireplace Stove offers a cozy fire look while being an electric heater. Just plug it into a regular wall outlet. We tested it in a lab and real-world setting, checking performance and realism. Testers noted its lifelike flame, though the small size might not fully pass as a fireplace, especially if aesthetics matter greatly. Though not a primary heating method, the Duraflame worked remarkably well for warming smaller rooms in our Rocky Mountain home and added a nice touch to our guest room, said our at-home tester. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.